Hello everyone. So you might be wondering that YouTube got hacked. So you are listening me right. Don't worry, I will let you know how you can find the YouTube got hacked. So welcome to daily tutorials. Please don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. So let's start. First of all, you can search Despacito in the Google like I already did, and you can see this is available on Spotify, blah 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 blah. It is released on 2017 and this is the most watched video on the YouTube. So when I click on this link, you may find this page because this is saying video has been removed by the user. So this video is not removed by the user, it is removed by the hackers. So if you want to verify more, you can write here hacked by Prosox. So if you write this, you will find a lot of top videos that is hacked by the YouTube. So if I will filter it with the view count, so you may find a lot of videos that already got hacked by the Prosox. So you can see this video got 2.5 billion views, this video got 2.2 billion views, and these videos are hacked by the Prosox. So there are a lot of videos that Prosox is hacking, and after hacking they are going to remove those videos. I don't have an idea that what they are going to do and what is the agenda behind this. So they might be giving a great time to the YouTube. So let's see how YouTube can figure out. So please don't forget to change your passwords and don't forget to remove the applications by using which you are logged into the YouTube. So once again, thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Take care. Bye bye.